Alright, so my goal for this video was to basically clean up some of the suspension shit, get it out of the way so that we can do the frame reel here. The only thing is we have this brake line that goes right here, so I don't think we're going to fully remove everything. I think we're gonna leave this here like I have on this side. Put a garbage bag around it and then tape around the brake line there. The Por 15 itself is paint on, so not much of a problem. I think the bigger issue that we'll have is spraying it, as obviously there's going to be spray that comes up. But again, we'll probably just cover and paint, or yeah, cover the things we don't want paint on and go from there. So now we're going to drop that strut out of its little tower, and then I don't really know what my plan is for the rest of the day. There's a lot of stuff to do. I'll probably clean up this little sway bar a bit, that way when I get the Por 15 I can put the Por 15 on that as well, and then we can put the subframe back together and it'll just be ready to go back on, and everything will basically be done all at the same time type of deal. And then we can get the suspension fully complete. At this point I need to get a heat gun and more wrinkle paint shipped in so that we can do the valve cover. It has its layers done. We have a video that came out, I believe, on that already. Maybe not. I don't think I covered that yet. I don't really know. There's been a lot of stuff overlapping and just happening around here. Alright, so we have both struts out. They're chilling over here. We got the tie rod off of the passenger side here. As you can see on the driver's side, this is bent from me trying to get it off. I'm gonna have to bend it back a little bit. Maybe we can weld it. I don't really know. I care too much at that point. It just holds a brake line and we can just zip tie it. And it's not like it's holding much weight or pressure, so probably why it's already a weak weld in the first place, and is moving it is a little rusty. These are stock. I just put the Cork Sport coilovers on them, or the coils, springs. Yeah, I put the Cork Sport springs on my stock strut. Holy shit, strut, spring. Cork Sport spring on my stock struts. Yeah. But those have been like that. We did that a while ago. Videos on We Kinda Car. That's where Eric and I used to make videos. Eric's making videos now. If you want to go check out his videos, I'll put a link in the description below. We hit this with the wire wheel, looks a little bit better. All we need is the Por 15 to fix that up, and then that'll go on there along with this going on there. Maybe we should Por 15 up the power steering line as well, clean it up, but I don't know. Maybe we should buy a new one. It's like $100. I'm not really sure. None of this seems like it's gonna like rust through at this point, I'd hate to run into a situation in the future where this does leak, because I didn't replace it, neglected to replace it while I had it all dropped in the first place. So, no, maybe we'll do it. It's only $100. It does kind of suck, but I figured out what that cooler was for. It's a power steering cooler, so we'll have to fix that whole situation. I did cut it so that I could run a rubber line to it, so that's all good. I just realized I don't have my light on, so all of this is a little dark. I apologize. These lights don't do a good job over here. But I was also looking at this. We need to get a gasket to put this on the engine, and then we can put the turbo on that. Once we get this gasket, which will be this gasket here, I'm making a pile. So these are the gaskets I need and the pieces I need at the current moment that weren't on my list already. So we'll be taking this over to Rick's shop, and that will probably be where we resume the video. Hello, Brian. Hello, Eric. We're gonna tap the oil pan. We're at Eric's shop. Go subscribe to Eric's channel. He's STI swapping this beautiful Forester.
Let's just go with it and get in the fucking pilot hole start. Okay, ready when you are.
You're good, dude. Just do it.
Do the damn thing. How is this battery fucking already dead?
You searched everywhere for it too. Unfortunate.
Cool.
Oh, we're in there like swimwear, baby.
In there like swimwear.
Nice.
We got a hole.
Now we gotta tap it.
Yeah.
Did it strip it?
No, it was tapping it. If you get something harder than aluminum, you can thread itself into it. But the problem is we're doing aluminum on aluminum, so it's not fucking happy.
Yeah, so
Okay, so let's go fucking to the store and get food. We had to improvise. We went to AutoZone and we got this. Where's the packaging? We got this Dorman quarter MNPT by 3/8 fuel line fitting, barb fitting. So yeah, this is what we're going with. Eric's got the Red-A-Lock stuff on it already, the sealant or whatever. We threaded it in. Good. It's pop-a-lobbing.
You drop it in. And you fucking turn the heater on. See, this will do this whole loop. And then turn it on. Yeah, but you'll start like you'll start seeing all the oil and shit come up. This thing works amazing.
What is that sound?
That's the ultrasound. It's already foaming all this stuff.
It's a fucking huge shadow. You can't see it.
what is that for?
It's for the Ring camera. I gotta go put the battery in it
That was
before I
definitely
forget.
Nowhere near it, so I don't know what to tell you.
No, you're fine.
Unless it's on this mat. Yo.
Did you find it? Jesus.
Yo!
What the hell?
Hey, good looking.
We're living life, baby. All right, baby, we're back at home. We got the oil pan here. It's nice and clean from the ultrasonic cleaner, and thanks to Eric for helping us tap that. We have our 1/4 MNPT to 3/8. It's a fuel line fitting, so realistically not what we want to use it for, but it should be able to take the oil. I don't know. Hopefully we don't have an issue with it, and hopefully it doesn't become a limiting factor in our turbo's performance. Realistically, I don't think it should be recycling that much oil that it's going to be a limiting factor, but you never know. Yeah, hopefully we don't have issues with it. Worst case, we get another oil pan, or we just tap this one a little bit bigger, or we tap into the engine and just get a new oil pan and do the engine tap. But that requires us to take shit out of the engine. We have to take the crank out because it comes within like 500th of an inch of the crank, so you gotta like cut your shit. It's just like a pain. So that'll be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that bullshit, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.